Hi, this is Kaylee Baker, and this is my presentation on nutritional secondary hyperparathyroidism disease in horses. Nutritional secondary hyperparathyroidism, also known as big head disease, is an uncommon problem in horses that stems from a mineral imbalance. This skeletal condition develops due to calcium deficiency or an imbalanced ratio of dietary calcium to phosphorus. These minerals play an important role in bone formation and growth. Nutritional secondary hyperparathyroidism is a serious disease that can be fatal if left untreated. It is not a disease itself that is typically fatal, but the resulting inability to consume feed can lead to death in some horses. Horses with NSH have increased parathyroid hormone levels. The parathyroid glands are two pairs of glands located in the neck behind the thyroid gland. These glands are responsible for regulating calcium levels in the blood. NSH is caused by fed grass hay or pasture and supplements with large amounts of unfortified grain-based concentrates or wheat bran are most likely to develop relative or absolute calcium deficiencies leading to the disease. The disease causes blood inorganic phosphorus that is increased due to the mobilization of the bone mineral content, swelling and softening of the facial bones, and alternating limbs. Lameness happens during the disease. In mature horses, NSH usually develops slowly and may not display clinical signs for a long time. Many horses adapt and cope with symptoms fairly well, meaning the condition may go unnoticed for some time. In young growing horses, skeletal calcium cannot be mobilized quickly enough to maintain blood calcium levels. The result is rapid development of NSH symptoms. The reasoning on why it's important is because the horses can suffer in many serious ways, such as swollen facial bones, usually symmetrical on each side of the head, jaw enlargement, dental infections, pain when chewing or inability to properly chew food, vertebral fractures, potentially resulting in hin impairless, respiratory issues such as nasal collapse, upper airway obstruction, noisy breathing, depression or dullness, shortened stride or stiff gait, lying down and difficulty getting up, coarse, starch-co, eating unusual substances such as soil, pain or tenderness in joint muscles, muscle tremors. In severe cases, the horse's teeth can be loose, which leads to chewing problems, loss of appetite, and muscle wasting. If left unchecked, permanent skeletal damage can occur. This disease just doesn't happen in horses, it happens in many other animals such as dogs and reptiles. It mainly happens in horses, especially younger horses. Nutritional secondary hyperparathyroidism is not common in most parts of the world today, but dietary imbalances in calcium and phosphorus and high oxalate forages can still produce this condition, which can prove deadly in extreme cases. Be careful when feeding your horse and always make sure it's on the proper diet. Make sure the calcium levels is well balanced. It's important to understand what causes big head disease and to take measures to prevent the condition from developing in your horse. This is my presentation. Thanks for listening, and I hope you learned a lot from my video.